heading for Reno Beach to Willowick, Ohio, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater 12 nautical miles west of Puddin Bay, or about 8 nautical miles east of Reno Beach, moving east at 30 knots. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to counties can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. This is